Now here is our project folder. In package, you can see here are the package that we gonna install: Express SQL, PL, Firebase. In server.js, we import the package, create a new app Express, use core Firebase, import the database model. Just simple rule here. Now we gonna look at database model. Here we have SQLite initial line or SQLite object with config here. Configuration and SQLite configuration tool. And this is our SQLite model tutorial. Tutorials have field title, description, and public. In server.js, we import rule. Rule determines how the server reports for HTTP requests. It uses controller here for CRUD operation. We refresh here, and now controller. Look at the controller. The controller will use SQLite model import here. And SQLite provides method like create or create a new object in the database table. File on where condition. Find by primary key. Update. Here is Detroit with condition. Detroit. File on where publish equal to. Okay. Now we're gonna run our application here with command node server.js. Yes, everything is good. This is our Angular project structure. Let's look at package file. Here is Angular 10, and we also use Node.js 6. There are 3 components: tutorial list, tutorial detail, and add tutorial. We also have a service for CRUD operation to REST API. Let's continue to app model. In addition to our components, we also have form model and HTTPClient model. We define rules paragraph in app routine model. The tutorial will point to tutorial list component. With ID, we have tutorial detail component, and ask for add tutorial component. Let's open app component. The app component is the root container of our application. It will contain a nav element. We also have router outlet, which is a placeholder for router state. Now, for tutorial data service. This service will use Angular HTTP client to send HTTP requests. You can see that its functions include CRUD operations. We're gonna use HTTP get, port, put, delete for CRUD operation and get for finder methods with title as parameter. There are 3 components correspond to 3 groups here. So look at tutorial component. This component has a form to submit new tutorial with 2 fields, title and description. We have a button that invokes self-tutorial. The self-tutorial method will use tutorial service create methods to send requests. Now look at tutorial list component. We also import tutorial service and use its get on, delete on, and find by title methods. Look at its template. You can see that we have a search bar with title as input, and when click on the search button, we will call search title. There is a list of tutorial here, and when we click on an item, we call set active tutorial with current index. This will show the tutorial data here. When we click on edit button, it will direct you to tutorial ID group. Let's go to tutorial detail component. This component import tutorial service, then use its get by ID, update by ID and data, and delete by ID methods. In the template, you can see that we have title, description, and publish status. We also have unpublic and public button, delete button, and update button that will invoke these methods in the component here. Now we're gonna run this Angular application.